Okay, so you are receiving this video because you were identified as one of the people on our list that do not have the Citrix Launcher on their tablet. So your tablet probably looks something like this or a similar version of this. So first thing I want to check is for us to go to Chrome. So please find Chrome somewhere on your tablet. It might not be on the main screen like it was for mine. And at the very top, we're going to type in custom.samsung.knox.com. And this is just to see if you are configured in our network. So we're going to click next. And then we're going to click finish. And we're going to stay on this screen for a couple of minutes until it checks for these updates. So it says update Knox enrollment service. So we definitely want to update it. Then we're going to click OK. And now some of you may be enrolled in Knox, so this part does not apply to you. But if it does, please let it go through its process. So once it's finished, you'll just tap finish. And we're going to exit out. So once you do that, we've determined that you are enrolled in Knox, and another screen will pop up to enroll. So you'll click next, and then it's asking for permission, so you're gonna allow it to have permission. And then again, we're going to allow it to do the things it needs to do. And this does take a couple of minutes, so just please be patient. Okay, so once your tablet successfully enrolls in Knox, we'll take this next step. However, if you get an error message that your tablet cannot enroll in Knox, please let me know and we'll go from there. But for those of you who are successful, we're gonna do our next step. So I'm going to have you swipe up and swipe to the left or to the right, and I want you to find Secure Hub. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press down on Secure Hub, and you're gonna see these options. I want you to press uninstall. And it asks, do you want to uninstall this app? And we're going to press OK. Now it's going to give us an error message saying that you can't install because the package is a device administrator. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this Manage Device Administrators button, and we're going to toggle off the Secure Hub. And then a message will pop up again, and you're going to click Deactivate. And then it will tell you that it'll remove everything, and you want to click OK. And then you'll go back to your main screen and you're going to swipe up again. The app isn't gone because we just allowed it to be deleted. So now we're going to do that again. You're going to hard press down on it and you're going to press uninstall. And you're going to click OK and it'll successfully uninstall. Next, we're going to go and find the Play Store. Mine happens to be right here, but yours may be somewhere different. And my Secure Hub is already up, but what you'll have to do is when your Play Store comes up automatically, it'll look like this. So at the very top, you're just gonna type in Citrix Secure Hub, and you're gonna press the first little icon, and we're going to install. And again, this may take a couple of minutes depending on where you are and how your network is, so please be patient. Once the install is done, I'll have you click on Open. And it's asking you to allow permissions. We're gonna click OK. And then there's 3 prompts. You're just gonna press Allow for all 3 prompts. And then it'll bring you to a page that's asking for a server. Now this is one of the most important components of this, so please write this down. You're going to type in M as in Mary, D as in David, M as in Mary, enroll, ENRO.trinity-health.org. O-R-G. Oopsies. O-R-G. And if you are successful in this, when you press next, you should see a button that says yes, enroll. We're gonna do that. And now on this screen here, it's asking for your username or email address. If you have been hired within the past year, you will use your email address. However, if you have been a colleague for us for a while, we're actually going to be using our network ID. Mine happens to be RQYF1830. If you are unsure of what yours is, please send me an email and I will help you. And your password will be your email password. And if you can't recall this, unfortunately, I am not able to assist, so you're going to have to contact the TIS desk, which is 734-343-3003. But once you have that username and password, you're going to click on the next. And again, another screen will pop up asking you to activate. So we're going to click activate. So since we deactivated the secure hub, it's going to ask us for the PIN, and it's going to ask us to confirm it twice. You can use the same exact PIN that you've been using, but since we did have to delete it, it has no memory of what your previous PIN was. So it's going to ask you to do it twice, and you do not have to press the done button when you're finished. It'll automatically be done for you. And now here we are inside the main apps for the store. So to get additional apps, I'm going to have you press the store button. And then I'm going to have you press all up in the left-hand corner. And these are all of the apps that are available to us. You can see that we have, HCHP Chronos on here. We have Halo on here, all of the apps that we use on a daily basis. At the very bottom, we have Workday, Voice. So feel free to add those apps, at your discretion. But right now, I'm only concerned about one, which is the Citrix Launcher. So you're going to click on the launcher, and I'm going to have you press Add. And then when it says it's been successfully added, you'll go back into My Apps. And we're going to wait a minute because it does take a little bit of time for it to recognize that we downloaded the Citrix Launcher. Okay, so once you download the Citrix Launcher, it'll be here in purple or somewhere on the screen in purple. I'm going to have you click on it. And you're going to click Set Up Citrix Launcher. Now at the very bottom, it'll say Select Launcher, Citrix Launcher, or TouchWiz Home. I want you to choose Citrix Launcher. And then it's going to have another pop-up message, and I want you to press OK. And then this is the screen that you want to see when you look at your tablet. If you went through all of these steps and you still do not see your tablet displayed like this, please let me know. And then we can go from there to figure out why your tablet doesn't look like this. Please always keep your tablet like this. We cannot change the background of our tablets. It's provisioned this way for security purposes, so please keep it with the purple background and all the apps on one screen. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, but thank you for watching.